Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. And if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. So today we are going to take these 3 wooden pieces from the Dollar Tree. So these are little wooden pencil holders that you can get in the craft section. Of course, they're now $1.25. And I'm going to use these 3. And then I have some Mod Podge. And I thinned it down just a little bit with a tiny bit of water. And then you don't have to, that's up to you. And then I'm also using some napkins. So these napkins I picked up from TJ Maxx. You can get napkins from the Dollar Tree as well. Now, so for these napkins, I take them apart and I want just the thinnest layer of the napkin tissue. Now, you can also use like regular tissue wrapping paper for this, and if so, you don't have to take it apart because it's already one thin layer, but you just want the thin layer. Now, you can paint underneath this if you want to. I wanted the look of the wood. So then be very careful. You are going to take your lighter and just touch it to the end of your napkin, and that will allow it to burn off all the edges. So it's going to burn to where you don't have glue. Now, I like this like sort of burnt wooden edge on there. If you don't like that, you can take your glue down the sides, and you can take your napkin down the sides if you want also to prevent that from happening. That part is completely up to you. But of course, be very careful, and I like to just sort of turn it as I go. But as you can see, this makes this fit just perfect and beautiful. I love this technique. When these are all done, then I like to put another at least 2 coats of Mod Podge over top of the outside of it and let it dry completely. And then you can put magnets on the back if you want, which is what I did because I wanted them to be hanging organizer holders. Or, of course, you don't have to. You can do whatever you want with them. So I am doing the same thing to the back and putting on my Mod Podge. I took my napkin apart, so I just have the thin portion of the napkin. And I'm sorry, I know my voice is still extremely crackly, and I'm so sorry for that. But again, very carefully, you are going to just take your lighter and touch the end of your napkin with the flame and turn it and let it burn off. Now, the cool thing with this trick, if you have a piece of wood that you're doing and maybe it has like some sort of like detail with open pieces, like a filigree or something, you can put your napkin just right over the whole thing, and when you do your flame, you can do it to the inside of each of like your little hole pieces, and it will make them all come out perfect just like this. So it's a really good technique. And then I'm also going to turn these over. I do the sides of it as well because I want the whole thing to be done. And this just gives a really inexpensive but beautiful and unique look to your wood pieces. And of course, you can use this for any wood piece. So here, I'm just showing you I had a piece where I didn't put the glue all the way. So when I put my fire, it's going to burn if there's no glue there. So I'm just showing you how you can go back and easily fix any piece that you mess up, and you can't even tell that it happened. And then I'm doing the sides as well. And this is so fun. So listen, I hope you guys like this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, give it a big thumbs up. As you can see, I put magnets on mine, and these are just adorable. Have a great night, friends, and I will see you next time. Bye.